1 month after the beam raising ceremony, the team once again stepped into the Lumbini Campus, where construction has made clear progress. Each functional team reviewed the design, layout, and schedule to ensure every detail is on track.
这是一个志业体，他未来来这里的人就是要认同，要努力，要精进，否则我们跟别人一样，只是在这里盖一个硬体，我们也不是来做生意啊。
The campus has been designed to allow education and medical missions to develop side by side. Retired Principal Li Linhui is feeling confident.
我们就是把这里变成佛国的花莲。
She also encourages the education team to keep moving forward.
花莲有医院，有学校，小学、中学
，hospital，
以后老师、医生的小孩有学校可以读。
Construction of the Lumbini campus began in late April 2025. Once completed, it will integrate a Jingsi Hall, a school, a vocational training center, and a free clinic. The master plan unites charity, medical care, education, and humanistic culture, outlining a future for the Buddha's homeland filled with compassion and hope. The Great Enlightened One of the universe will be the campus' spiritual symbol, with its placement in the central courtyard still being carefully planned.
静谧的，就是滑壁有水，静谧的水。这个水呢，虽然很静谧，可是呢，它缓缓的逆流而上，就逆增上来。菩萨就是要逆增上来，才能成菩萨成佛。
Dedicated teams from Singapore, Malaysia, and Taiwan carry the torch and continue the relay. In Lumbini, they perpetuate the Buddha's wisdom life while also nurturing their own, walking this path together. Reporting from Nepal, Chang Jingho, Su Liju, Dai News.